Hello, you're welcome to enea.skin.care. Today we're going to make carrot soap. Here we have fresh carrots. This is what we have here, and this is what we are going to make fresh carrots. We're using it for soap, and this is the carrots that we have blended here. Now we're going to turn it into our lye solution. I'm going to mix. Our lye solution, we soaked it for 2 days, and carrot today we blended it, and you just saw it. We poured it into the lye solution. The next thing we're going to do now, we're going to run the lye solution with carrots poured into it. We're going to run it into our oil. Like I usually do, I use this to protect myself so that it doesn't splash on my body. Sorry. This is carrot soap. And we all know the importance of carrots on our skin. If you don't know it, try and Google it and know the importance of carrots for your skin. It smooths your skin. You have a silky skin when you use carrot soap. It exfoliates, moisturizes. So lovely. Now next thing, we're going to add our ingredients. Here we have vitamin E. I'm going to add my vitamin E. That's our vitamin E. Here we have our glycerin. And lastly, we have our fragrance. Here's our fragrance. Continue to stir. Know whether you have finally got into your complete soap making. You try to put this into your soap, and the way you see the way it looks like having the shape of this tool. This is my whisk. You can see it. So it shows that we finally traced our soap. Just stir because of the ingredients I added, to stir properly. Now I'm going to pour. Shaking it, I want it to settle down. Here's another soap mode. This is silicone. Whoosh. So that is how we make our carrot soap. By this time tomorrow, in 24 hours, we'll come back and unmold our soap. Just pouring our soap. By this time tomorrow, in 24 hours, we'll mold our soap. As for the measurements, 3 parts of water ferment 1 part of lye. That's just it. It's very easy. Let's, for instance, this is our measurement: 3 parts of water ferment 1 part of lye. If you like what you have seen, give us your likes, you share, visit us on our page. Thank you. Bye bye. And you can subscribe. You can subscribe to us. Bye bye.